Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If today is your first time tuning in, hi, my name is Olajumoke. Thank you so much for clicking. I'm so glad you're here. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to DIY an anti-stretch mark oil or cream or grease, all right? And also, I'm going to be showing you how to get rid of keloid and scar all over your body, unwanted growth on your body. This ingredient is super effective, and I'm going to be inserting the picture of keloid, scar, and unwanted growth on your body. I'm going to be inserting what I meant by that on the screen so as for you to know what I'm talking about. All right, so if this is what you're interested in, definitely keep on watching. Watch from start to finish. Please make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment for me in the comment section, and most importantly, please follow me on my Instagram page. All right, so without further say or do, let's just get right into the video. So yeah, guys, the first ingredient we are going to be working with in this video is this. This is, Yoruba call it ora nuekun, and ora nuekun is python fat in English, and cow glue, oriamo, I think cow glue or cow glee. Anyway, I don't know the correct pronunciation, but I'm just going to leave the name in English on the screen so as for you to know. But in Yoruba, I'm a Yoruba girl, we call it oranuekun and oriamo. It is all mixed together here in this bowl. I'm just going to double boil it. All right, I'm going to pour hot water here and put it right inside here before we proceed to the next ingredient. All right, so you guys, this is hot water in a microwave bowl or microwave glass. All right, this is hot water. So this is our python fat and cow glee. It is mixed together, so I'm just going to like dissolve it a little bit. Let me just tell you guys, the bomb I'm talking about, or the growth I talked about earlier in this video, I'm just going to insert the picture on the screen, and yeah, this will actually work perfectly for it. The growth or the bomb will just be dissolving on your skin little by little till you see it no more. This ingredient is super effective, and trust me, you are going to see a good result while using this for stretch marks and the bomb or the growth, whatever. So yeah, it's okay. Now let's just proceed to the next ingredient. Hey guys, I'm just going to go ahead and put, this is shea butter. This is 100% organic shea butter. Like I said earlier, all the ingredients in this video is available. If you need it, just send a message to the WhatsApp number in the description box below. So I'm just going to add the little run and also dissolve it. Like so. As you can see, the shea butter is dissolving. So what I did just now is just to test the temperature of the oil, but the oil is hot. I want it to cool down a little bit before adding other oils to it, to make it more effective. All right, so now that the oil has cooled down a little bit, so I'm just going to go ahead and add other ingredients. All right, this is lavender oil. This is for calming. All right, this oil is very good for calming, for skin calming, and it will help the oil penetrate into your skin for it to work the magic. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a little bit like so and pour it into it. The next ingredient I'm going to be working with is vitamin E oil. All right, so I'm just going to go ahead and put a little like so into it, and I'm just going to mix everything together like so. So this is what it is looking like now. All right, if you have stretch mark at every area, you have stretch marks on your body, just pick a little, put a little on the area and massage it in a circular method on the area, circular method like so, like this, circular method like this on the area you are having stretch marks. If you have bump, like I said earlier, on your skin, this bump is always common with ladies. When you pierce your hair and your body reacted to the piercing, all right, and this unwanted growth starts surfacing at the back of your hair, you can also use this oil for it. It works like fire. It will just dissolve small till it all dissolve at the back of your hair or on your skin, wherever you have it. You will just wake up to see it no more. It is like this, recipe is fire, right? You just put it on the affected area and voila. Do it religiously every day, all right, day and night, all right, so as for you to see effective results. All right, I hope this video is helpful. If you like this video, make sure to like this video, make sure to share this video, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page. All right, thank you so much for watching my video, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.